Good morning, and we've made it to Friday. Here are your answers to yesterday's problems. Okay, today we're going to continue our work on subtraction, and this time we're going to see what happens if we don't have enough tens. Now it's exactly the same as if we didn't have enough ones. We need to do some exchanging. So we've got one to work through. Now you've got this, which is going to show you how you do the calculation. I'm going to talk you through it on the video as well, but you've got that to refer to if you want to. Okay, so 537 take away 272. First of all, we're going to build the number. 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 7 ones. Okay, first of all then, just like before, we're going to start with the ones. So first subtract the ones. 7 ones take away 2 ones. Right, I can do that. I don't need to do any exchanging. I just take those 2 away, leaving me with 5 ones. Next, subtract the tens. I need to take away 7 tens. I haven't got enough. So remember yesterday when we didn't have enough, we exchanged, didn't we? I need some more tens. I can exchange this 100 for 10 tens. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this 100 there and I'm going to exchange it for 10 tens. Okay, and I'm going to add those to the tens column. So just like yesterday, here's what I've done. I had 500s. I took one of them out of the pile, leaving 4 behind, and I changed it into 10 tens. I already had 3 tens, so now I've got 13 tens. Now I can subtract 7 tens. So 2, 4, 6, 7. Leaves me with 6 tens. 13 tens take away 7 tens is 6 tens. And then next we need to subtract the hundreds. 4 hundreds take away 2 hundreds, leaves us with 2 hundreds. Okay, now there's nothing new there except where we exchange the numbers from. So I'd like you to have a go. Pause the screen, have a go at this purple calculation here, and then unpause and we'll go through the answers. 628 to start with then. So I've got 6 hundreds, 2 tens, and 8 ones. There we go. Okay, first subtract the ones. I've got to take 1 away. Easy, I can do that. 8 ones take away 1 1, leaves me with 7 ones. Next, subtract the tens. I need to take away 4 tens. Haven't got enough. Hopefully you remembered that you had to exchange. I'm going to take this 100 and I'm going to exchange it for 10 tens. Because 100 is 10 tens. So that's what I'm going to do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put those there. And then what I have done is I took one of these hundreds, leaving me with 5, and I changed it into 10 tens to add to those 2 tens that were already there. Now I've got 12 tens. Now I can subtract 4 tens, leaving me with 8 tens. 12 tens take away 4 tens is 8 tens. Next, the hundreds, 500, take away 300, leaves me with 200s. Okay, did you get that answer? Have a go at this one now. 347 take away 185. And I'll come back and show you how you could draw to find the answer. Okay, let's draw our first number then. So 347. It's 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. Okay, right, first of all, subtract the ones. Got to take away 5 ones. I can do that, no problem. Leaves me with 2 ones. Next, subtract the tens. I need to take away 8 tens. Haven't got 8, I've only got 4. So I'm going to take this 100 here and I'm going to change it into 10 tens. I'm going to exchange it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to cross it out because it's moved from the hundreds. I've now got 14 tens. I took one of the hundreds, leaving me with 2, and I had 10 tens added to those 4 to give me 14. Now I can take away 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It leaves me with 6 tens. 14 tens, take away 8 tens is 6 tens. Now hundreds. I've got 2 hundreds, I need to take away 100. leaves me with 162. How did you get on? Okay, over to you now then. So remember to keep using the equipment to help you if you need to, and you can draw it if you prefer. Here are your ones to do today. Now, just like the last couple of days, this one can be a little bit misleading because it wants you to talk your way through the method. If you're stuck on this one, don't worry. Work out the answer and work through the rest. Keep the video rolling to see today's answers so we can start with some new learning next week. Here are the answers to today's practice. Well done for all your hard work this week. We have covered an awful lot. Have a well-deserved rest this weekend, and we'll be back next week with some more on addition and subtraction.